Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.